I'm Sean with Rogue Off-Road. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Bilstein 8100 and 8112 coilover and rear shock. We are working on our Toyota 4Runner. Many people will ask, why are we going with the Bilstein setup? And well, they're doing something that nobody else is really doing. They have the new zone control technology, which has 3 different compression zones, 2 rebound zones. They also have the JCO, which is the bump zone, and the RCO, which is the rebound control zone. RCO basically slows down the rebound. You hit a bump, the shock's going to move inward, and then all of a sudden it's going to be moving out. This also happens if you happen to lift the front wheels off the ground. This is going to slow down how quickly it comes out. The other section, which is the JCO, is basically going to slow down your bump control. As the shaft moves in, once it gets towards the top, it's going to start to stiffen up, increase the oil pressure inside that cavity, and basically slow down the shaft movement. The rear shock is a bypass shock. You're going to have your compression control and your rebound control here. Same thing as the front coilover. As the shock moves in, that's your compression control. As the shock shaft moves out, that's your rebound control. So now that we talked a little bit about these, we're going to go ahead and get these installed on our 4Runner.